My drone is about to crash right now.
Hello folks, today I'm gonna tell my story that I almost lost my drone around Fenerbahce Stadium. And before it began, I'm gonna show you some scene that I filmed on that day.
I solemnly promise to try to live my life for you, oh Allah.
Well, this landscape is located in Kartal, which is in Asian side of Istanbul, 30 minutes away to Kadıköy or Fenerbahce Stadium. And this park is a brand new park in Kartal area that you can do a joke, playing with your kids, getting some fresh air, or just having tea around there. So everything around that area are brand new.
How amazing it feels to love you. I wish that everyone could see how your love has set me free and made me strong. Oh Allah, I'm forever grateful to you. Whatever I say could never be enough. You gave me strength to overcome my uncertainties and stand firm against all the odds. You are the one who did revive my soul. You shone me light.
Here is Kadıköy area. Bunch of people around this area are waiting for Fenerbahce match. You can say Kadıköy is a place for Fenerbahce. If there is a match in the Fenerbahce stadium, Kadıköy will be full of yellow color. Some restaurants will turn on their TV to watch the match together. But even there is no soccer match, Kadıköy will always be full of people, because this area is one of the most favorite areas to hang out in Istanbul. Kadıköy is one of recommended place to visit. You can feel the atmosphere of local people here. You will find a shopping place that is cheaper to Europe side. I can say living cost in Kadıköy is cheaper. Eminönü, Grand Bazaar, and Taksim, which located in Europe sides of Istanbul, are the most expensive place to buy some foods and souvenir.
My drone is about to crash right now.
That is Fenerbahce Stadium. Actually, I was a doubt to fly this drone or not. It was risky. Some cops will notice about my drone. If they saw the drone around that area, they must be trying to find the pilot. The second thing that I worry about, it was super windy. But if I succeed to fly it over the stadium, it's gonna be awesome footage. Before I can get closer to the stadium, the wind blows my drone away, and I runs out of my battery. That makes my drone will automatically landing
Look
soon.
at this.
I keep
Oh my
running.
God.
I keep running till I can see the drone in the sky. But it was too late. We almost landed in somewhere between the highway. I couldn't see anymore. If the wind blows to the stadium,
Oh
I'm
my
pretty
God.
sure my drone will be the next additional
I
player
know.
of that match.
It's landed. I totally lost my drone. Come on. After an hour, I think I found my drone. It's around this area, but still not sure where is he. But that one, I got it now. I got it now. Whoa, I don't know if you can see that or not, but I got it. There you go. Finally, I can find my drone, but it's a bit difficult. Bismillah. A bit difficult to find this place.
I spent an hour to get back my drone into my hand, and gladly in landing on the highway, because if it happens, it can cause an accident.
I got you finally. Thanks God. Thanks God. We got you though. Here you go. Here you go. Hey, what's up, buddy? What's up, buddy? Seems like you feel good, huh? Yup, I'm gonna catch you though.